Change Linux login password is a full HD video showing two methods to change the password. You may do this for security reasons or for the convenience that all your Linux computers have the same login password. When I did a clean install of Linux Mint 22.1, I was surprised that Linux allowed me to have a weak 3-character login password. This video will show how to increase the password characters to make the computer more secure. First, I will show how to use a graphical user interface GUI method in Linux Mint to change the password. Go down and left-click on Menu. Then go up and click on System Settings. In Preferences, click on Account Details. To the right of Password, click on the 6 black dots. A Change Password box will appear. Enter current password. For privacy, the passwords are not shown. Then enter New Password. At least 8 characters are required. A mixture of numbers and letters increases security. And then press Enter. Enter new password again to confirm password. Tick to show password and record it for future reference. Then click on Change to save it. I didn't click on Change as I wanted to also show you how to change your login password using the terminal. You can open the terminal by using the shortcut keys Ctrl+Alt+T as now displayed, and then closed the terminal. However, if you can't remember the 3 shortcut keys, I will now show you another method to open the terminal. Go down and left-click on the menu icon, then go up and click on the terminal icon. In the terminal, type the command PASSWD and then press Enter. Enter your current password. Again, the characters will not be shown. Enter your new password with at least 8 characters. If you are pedantic about security, include special characters. Enter your new password again and press Enter. If the passwords match, you will get a message that the password has been updated successfully. I then closed the terminal. In description below is a YouTube link to all my Linux Mint 1080 tutorials. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and forward the link to your friends. Also, subscribe to this channel to be advised when I upload the next Linux video tutorial.